Hey everyone, today we are going to learn the builder pattern. Primarily we will see what problems this pattern basically solves. So before doing that, we have to create a problem by ourselves. In this tutorial, at the first part of the video, we have created that. Let's see. Let's consider a fintech company wants several kind of bank accounts to create. Few bank accounts may have the credit card facility, few bank accounts may not have those credit card facilities. If they want to create those two kind of accounts from a single class, they have to create two different constructors with different set of parameters. So now we have two different constructors for two different kind of accounts. So whenever we want to create one kind of account, we are just adding that kind of accounts, all the parameters. And if we want to create another kind of account, we are just adding the parameter list in a different way. So this causes two big problems. The first problem is we have to remember what kind of account will need what list of parameters, and also the parameter list sequence will be very accurate. Otherwise, we will find some wrong account creation. So builder pattern basically solves that problem for you. In the bank account class, we have kept only the necessary attributes and properties we need for a bank account. This is the interface for setting all the account properties, and also there is another method which is getAccount, which sends us the bank account whenever we need it. In bank account builder class, we have a constructor that can create a bank account from outside. This constructor helps us to create the bank account whenever we call the bank account builder class new instance. All the getter and setter methods are done, and now we are ready to use this builder pattern for creating new bank account by giving different set of parameters with it. Let's see. Final version of the code is ready. So we have solved two problems. One is writing long constructors with tightly coupled parameter list, and number two, if any parameter list is missing, there will not be any error. Thank you for watching the builder pattern.